Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and confirming edits, no extra steps. Once ready, open Print via File Print or Ctrl+P. This puts you in the export flow. Make sure your page range, orientation, and paper size are correct, because the PDF will mirror these settings. Then, instead of a physical printer, pick a PDF printer entry or the Save as PDF option. This changes the output target from hardware to a file you can store and share. Once you select Save as PDF, inspect the options. This is where the how and why matter. Choose the correct page range and scaling so nothing gets clipped, and pick orientation that matches your layout. Small mismatches ruin printed proportions. If available, set image quality or PDF/A for archiving, and add a password only if you must restrict access. Finally, select a clear file name and destination so you can find the PDF immediately after export. Click Save or Print to create the PDF, then open it to confirm all pages and links rendered as expected. This step avoids surprises later. If text reflows or fonts look wrong, embed fonts or export to a flattened PDF to preserve layout. When the export fails, make sure you have enough disk space, that the PDF printer driver is current, and try the built-in Print to PDF system tool. Often, switching to a different PDF printer results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.